March ani somni pariat asangni somni pargani e Middle East boina chuanin zuallam apan zela boruak aso sang tel ani achanchu Iran hel khoi pakhat Yemen ami Houthis te hi he indona hianin anron telve to ani Israel hi misailin an ka venga tani ti choni Lebanon atangin Hezbollah ten Israel hi anno be vezel boka Israel tin an changlet vezel ati khanin boina kha adar zong kha nakalatin Iran lampang hianin US long pakhat ka fule tat mai ni hemi chungcha kan reaction ma hianin hei kan en hawang
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sanghi somni parukatanga sanghi somni pasari academic sessionatan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adangte ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hroina skula hian admission rontivero le
yes St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School he phone number ten ron tarlan he admission in lo hanti ve theu don ni o ole tuna chuanin kan react chanang
marking their Yemen's Iran-aligned Houthis confirmed on Saturday that they have launched missiles at Israel.
Voin hi inrin ni ania voin a hianin an confirm ani Houthis te hian mo Israel hi missile in an kap ti hi
marking their first such attack since the Iran war began.
Kar thakhat ani to US le Israel te le Iran te indo na hi ti chuan thakhat atlin dol me chuan hei Houthis te an ron zuang lut ve ta chat mai ni
Israel said it had intercepted a missile fired from Yemen. The Houthi
Yemen atanga missile ron thlok hi kan no intercept ani ti in Israel te chuan an soya
said their operations would continue until what they called the aggression on all fronts comes to an end.
Houthis te chuanin Iran Houthis te chuanin Israel hi kan beizelang tin kan beizelanga Israel ten Lebanon a Hezbollah te Lebanon mipuite Iran te heng bei ati to ma hi chu keini hi chuanin Israeli kan beizel don anti vetlat mai ni
A day earlier, the group had indicated it was prepared to act if the escalation against Iran and the axis of resistance continued.
Nimin lama hanin Houthis te hianin thun lo chhuatawa he indona hianin kan tel veang boruak aso san zela Iran hi bei ani zel chong kan tel veang an tia ti chuan voin lama an ron tel tange nge ani an puang an tel nga la ni an phur khop
Though it had not specified the nature of any intervention. Their involvement raises concerns of the conflict widening further.
Oh hei hi apoi achan chu indona hi atira kha chuanin US Israel Iran chawani ton chuanin adar zoi nakal to ani US Israel le Iran kha tuna chuanin Lebanon kang kai towa tuna Yemen Houthis ten lo in rol phei chon tin nimin lama kan rieka Uganda an sipai ho tu khanin Israel chanpui tur hianin kan in perenga Israel a tloma ti chet ani ai chuanin he indona hianin kan ron zuang lut ve ha lang kha an ti bokani ti chuanin Iran a hianin Russia na en kol nuclear ral thuam pakhat oma chu ti chiat ka enge ka chiat de reu kha ani bokani hei Russia lampang hian in statement an nei to nge nei lo kala shelawa hati khanin boruak kha hei adar zong ha nakal tet me hei poidon khop maya US lampang in Middle East a sipai an ron thon lu bel zel boxia hei hi poidon khop mai ni
As the war enters its 5th week.
إن القوات المسلحة اليمنية بعون الله تعالى.
Oh hey hey do da hian kan ron tel ve do da nia tiani kha ole adole kan kal leang
We are traveling with a humanitarian aid convoy in southern Lebanon, where Israel's ground invasion is changing life along the border.
Tuna khenin Lebanon simlama king media hote ki an kalani ti chuanin Israel hi Lebanon ram laturle Lebanon ram lahlen turin Lebanon ram simlam lahlen tur hianin Israel sipai te hi an lu tani ti hi news sam ta khenan report to te tani tin tuk in lama news pakhat ke na phei chuanin CNN media team te kha Lebanon simlama hanin an zukkalani ome kha Israel sipai te khanin an lo ti dinga camera te kha off ro te an tia an Israel sipai te ngai dang kha ni lo khop mai ani tin khalai Hmun kha media mi ten an zo khanin helai Hmun a henin enge inti helai Hmun hi lak in tumami tiang zong an zo khanin ani Israel sipai te la kha an thin kha arim zol so sawa helai Hmun kan ramani an ti dai mai ni Lebanon ram chu khan mo Greater Israel Project hi in lo hre to mai theya Greater Israel Project hi Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu te hianin ti hlotlin antum viau ni in alang ani ni Lebanon ram te po hi tiếng hianin an lu chila Israel in soi thiam na dana chuanin Houthi Hezbollah ten Israel an ron lu lo na turin hetiang hianin Lebanon ram chim lama hianin kan han lu chawani tiếng zo khanin Israel sipai te chuanin an soya nia an mani thlina tlanga tanga han thlir pui chuanin dikve thei tho maya amaro chu Greater Israel Project an nei ti kha tu hnu te han kan hre chuak le loisia.
We can no longer use some roads. Israeli troops have advanced several kilometers deep into Lebanese territory, and they are in most of the villages along the 120-kilometer border, except for a few.
Border kilometer zasom ni zeta thui oma kami Lebanon le Israel te ram in rin na border kilometer zasom ni zeta thui khanin he khosang sang khati khan oma ni khang khot tam zo ka kha chuanin Israel sipai te an lut vek to am je chu khang kho zong zong kha Israel sipai te thu hnuaya an om vek to ti na ani khatiang ani kha chuanin khalai khwa an ob be to na Hmun atang khanin Lebanese tam tak kha an tlan chedong ti kha a hriat renga tin news dang te na an report dan chuanin Lebanon a hian hetianga Hezbollah le Israel te anin do awang hianin mi nuai som vel hi an om na Hmun atanga thiar chua ani to in son chua hey Hmun him lam pana pantura srila atenga kal chua kan om to ti kha news te pon an report bok ani soi dong khanin he in do na hian in zualam apanang ti hlom khop maya news dang le a chuanin Iran khanin kami Persian Gulf nai lampanga khanin Russia enkol nuclear facility an nei ka ti kha Iran lampang chonin avoi thumna atan be ani le to ti news kha khanian ron report le tlat mai ni hei Iran lampang hianin thudik an report ani chuanin a serious thotan riau mai achan chu nuclear ral thuam in be sak kha chu ami pa ngai ti chi lo vewa ti chuanin hei Iran lampang hianin US vessel US long hi Omani port of Salah bula hianin kan kapu antiani hi US lampang hian an ron confirm to nge to lo news hianin aron report donem tuna kan riekang and news intro chu pui thei ngang
All right, viewers, we have some breaking news coming in. Iran's military
hi darkar thum kalta ni breaking news lalum vet a fresh khop mai
has said that it has targeted a US logistics vessel near the Omani port of Salalah.
Omani port of Salalah bula hianin Iran lampang Iran sipai te hianin US logistics vessel kan bayan tiani aum je chu US logistics vessel a chonin long bungro poimo tak tak phur thin long ani hei chu oil phur long ani lemlo bungro poimo tak tak phur long Iran sipai te hian an bei hi US ngai dan ani don lo lutuk achan chu ama sabera chuanin he long an be hi sipai long ani lo achan chu atira kha chuanin military target chau sipai omna Hmun sipai motor sipai long khang ang chi chia kha anin ka ton sakani ama razu tuna choni to lo tuan choni to lo hey Iran lampang po hianin US long commercial ship sumdon na atana man te poniang hey Iran lampang chonian ka sakve mi to mai ni US le Israel te hianin an la beireng Iran hi an be charchar
Ibrahim Zulfaghari, a spokesman for Iran's Central Military Command, has said that a logistics vessel supporting the US Army was targeted by Iran's armed forces.
Je chu he longa hianin US sipai te hiaron tran puya bungro ron supply moti na ang velani
and this was at a considerable distance from the port of Salalah in Oman.
Port of Salalah kami long chol na Hmun atang kha chuanin al omna hi ahlave ani hi.
For our viewers who are just joining us, this is the latest we're getting in from West Asia, where the conflict has now effectively completed a month, and in the latest, Iran's military has said that it has targeted a US logistics vessel near the Omani port of Salalah.
Kami ka breaking news chuan apui khop mai US lampang hian in phuba an la don ti achiang renga ti chon thil pakhat ka ngai to ana lo om ta chu thakhat don ting hen an in do to ani Iranian air defense system an nei velawa chu wang chuan in Israel na missile ka ha zo an lo dong ve pop han Israel te zan kap chen he thei to amara chu ka soitum tak zo chu thakhat don nei to Iran hian in missile ka chu tural nei ve renga tiang hian in US le Israel te an air defense system an missile pakhat man ringot te hi ato boxia asiam chu a hau tak viewin ka ringa hetiang hianin thakhat zet anin do to Iran hian ni ti nakap ta ti chuan thakhat anin do hnuah hian mitam takin US le Israel te hianin an air defense system an nei chaw raw to khop mai ti news report a om tan hnuwa Hezbollah ten Israel rocket tam takin an kapa missile in an kapa Yemen atangin Houthi ten missile tin an lo ka vele boka hetianga ni chuanin tuna hianin Israel hi Hmun thum atanga beih ti na anga niya ti chuan Hmun thum atanga an beih chuanin Israel te po hian air defense system te hianin a tuar view mailo mole an missile te po hi a stock te hi tlem to view mailo mole ti te po kha rilruwa chuanin aron lang ani hetianga Hmun thum atanga beih ani ta ka chuan mo amaro chu US le Israel te po hi tian chet lak an la tum ve renga ni Trump pachuanin Strait of Hormuz kha Strait of Trump te atia Iran ho kha troll na sani Donald Trump pa po angal ngai na hal reng mai he indo na hian chuan thil lomom deuh chu Iran atang hianin oil phurlong hi India aron thleng thar omni in ka hria tikhanin India tan chuanin lungai thak vak lo Iran tenen kan relationship athari in alangani nizana Iran ambassador India mi an komna ka ena chuanin India mi te khanin hey Iran hi min tran mol top lowa amairo chu US missile lina indo trantir nia me cheno pang school no pang tam tak khang anron Tomahawk cruise missile manga an tha tak te khang teng te kha poyan ti thu te social media te an lo au puya chuwan chuanin India ram mi puiten hetianga omje nei lawa min ron be ringota hi min hria thiam pui min tor pui ani ti kan hria chuwang chuanin khatianga ni awang khanin keini Iran lampang po hianin hetiang hianin India mi te tan oil hi tiang hian kaltang oil phurlong te hi kaltang kan phal sang ani ti zo khanin Iran ambassador te zonin an soi ve ani mo ole ati zong kha tun trum news ta da toisi kim siang kan han report thei chu ni se video le kan in hule theu do nia